outside the game. Start by opening the Minecraft launcher by double-clicking its icon, which looks like a dirt block with a green tuft of grass. In the launcher, click the menu in the upper right corner to open additional options, then select Launch Options. Turn on Advanced Settings by clicking the gray switch under Advanced Settings and confirming the Java warning. Next, click plus Add New near the top of the page to create a new launch configuration. Enable the Game Directory switch on the left side so it turns green. Then click the green arrow on the far right side of the Game Directory row to open your Minecraft game folder. At this point, you can close the launcher. Inside the game folder, double-click the Saves folder to open your Minecraft saved worlds. To add a new map, paste your map folder into the Saves folder by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, or by selecting Edit and then Paste item on a Mac. Once the map is added, it will appear in the single-player menu and can be selected like any other saved world.